Hello viewers, today we are going to see how to replace a filter in a vesda system. And when you have replaced a filter in a vesda system, such fault will be displayed on the vesda panel. Before we continue, I urge everyone to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please also like the video. Let's continue. After replacing the new filter, it will not automatically work out. You have to do programming, whereby when you do programming, it will reset it. And during programming, we are going to use this tool. This is the tool which we are going to use to reset this filter, and the panel will automatically become normal. It will automatically become normal. Let us continue. This is our tool. Programming tool is already connected to the visitor panel. I think you can see it. Now we are going to start programming this new filter. We start. We are going to be using all of these keys you are seeing here. They will help us to program. Now when you press this one, you open. So we need to put in password. User has to be admin. So you put in password, you press this button. So this button will help us to move the cursor. So here, password, it is 41413. So we start with 1. That is 1. 4. 1. 3. 1413. Press enter key. Already the password. I think now we have put in the password. Now we continue. Press enter key. Press enter key. We continue. It is showing you. I think you can see the fault. It is showing you the new filter which has been replaced in the system. It is already showing here. So you press yes. When you press yes, it is bringing you to a next menu, whereby you need to program this one. So set up by zone setup. So for us, we need to set up by type. So you press enter. When you press enter, it is bringing you here different. What you want is filter. So you press enter. VLP. This is the filter number. So here it will bring you all the options we have here. So we need to go down until where we shall get filter. This is filter. So it has brought for you the filter. So we need to check. We need to set how long do we want our filter to work. So here, how many days usually the filter is set with 732 days. So we need to move this one to the days. So 7 3 2 need 2, yeah, enter. That is finished. You start, you're going to start it. Press enter key. Here, reset the filter edge. It is already reset to this day. It is already reset. So, but this date, after saving this information, the date will automatically be reset. Do you want to save any changes? Yes. You press this one. Already saved. Then you need to go back. Do you want to log out? Yes. You press the enter key. That's all. Now it has already been programmed. What you need to do, you go to the panel, you can silence and reset the system. It is already reset. Now the panel is in a normal working condition. Please try to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. That's all what we had today.